Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about how you can buy gift card with Venmo. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is go in your web browser and type in buy gift card with Venmo. Once you do this, you will get several links. However, you need to choose the e-gifter link, which is www.egifter.com. Once you click this link, you will end up in their page. Now, all you need to do is click on the buy with Venmo option. Now, among all these options, you need to select one gift card. After selecting it, you need to read the terms and tick the bracket. After that, all you need to do is click on continue button. Once you choose the amount of gift card you want, you can either buy it for yourself or send it to your friend. So here, as I have chosen to send it to my friend, you can still make necessary corrections in amount if needed. Now all you need to do is fill in your details and choose the way of delivery. You can either choose to send it via digital method or you can even send it via the printed method. If you select the digital method, you can send it via email or even via text. However, you can also send it through both the options. So now once you are done, you need to fill in your email address, and after that you need to click on the greeting card. So you can simply select one from all the menus in the drop down bar. So once you select it, all you gotta do is select a card, and you can also type in a personalized message. So once you're done, you can either send it instantly or you can also set a date to be sent. So once all the process are done, your gift card will be shown on your screen. So now all you gotta do is enter the promo code if you have, or otherwise you can click on proceed to checkout. So now you need to select the payment method. Once you select the payment method, you need to verify the code sent in your phone number, and you are all done. I hope this video was helpful to you all, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.